Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker shared stunning new photos from their beach engagement in Montecito. Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker continued to be obsessed with each other. The Blink-182 drummer, 45, and the Push founder, 42, shared stunning new snapshots by photographer Daniel Rojas from their weekend engagement on Instagram on Wednesday, October 20th. On his account, Travis shared a black and white close-up of him kissing his fiancé, followed by more photos of the setup at the beach, which featured candles and red roses that formed one big heart. He captioned the post, "My fiancé," to which Kourtney responded in the comments section, "My favorite person in the world, my fiancé." On her own account on Wednesday, Kourtney shared similar snapshots and captioned the post, "I woke up all night thinking it was a dream." In the comments section, Kourtney's sister Khloé got sentimental. "I'm so happy for you, my beautiful sweet sister," she gushed. "You deserve every kiss. Every ounce of love. Every happy thought. You deserve every single second of this. I love you and I love you." Related gallery. Kourtney Kardashian's sexiest looks through the years. Khloé, along with other family members, including sister Kim and Travis' children Landon, 18, and Alabama, 15, were in attendance when Travis proposed to his girlfriend of 10 months in Montecito, California on October 17. The longtime friends have been romantically linked since January. Following the happy news, a source told Hollywood Life that the Kardashian and Jenner family, including Kourtney's 3 children, were beyond thrilled. The TV personality shares Penelope, 9, Mason, 11, and Rain, 6, with ex-boyfriend Scott Disick. "The kids are super happy about this, as is Kourtney's entire family," the source said. "They adore Travis and they love their blended family," the source continued, adding that the musician treats Kourtney's children like his own. "The fact that Travis is extremely hands-on and a good father to his children, whom he shares with ex-wife Shanna Moakler, is one of the things that attracted Kourtney most to him," the source added. Travis popped the question with a stunning oval diamond ring designed by celebrity jeweler Lorraine Schwartz, who revealed that the musician was heavily involved in the creation of the stone. "I worked on it with Travis and he was a really big part of it," the designer told People following the engagement news. "He was really hands-on in the whole making of it. It's gorgeous and they're happy."